Coming soon from the Bright Side release, available on July 31st, 2020, is the Great Outdoors Borders and Builders Slimline Series die set. This die set is engineered to work perfectly on slimline cards, but can also be adapted to your regular standard card measurements. You could create the perfect outdoor scenes for your slimline cards using these fun borders and scene building pieces. The borders contained in this die set are a fence, a stitched hill, a line of grass, and then a wave with stitched detail. It's also important to notate that you could use the negative space as well. Just use them and flip them around and coordinate things in your project. These are the scene building pieces included in this die set: a tree trunk, 3 different treetop pieces that can be layered, 3 separate birds, and a branch with leaves. I could also imagine these treetop pieces as clouds. Here is the tree trunk, and you can see that it can be placed in many different ways in the different tree tops, or you can use it separately for a different seasonal look. The tree branch does not completely cut away from the paper. It, in fact, just makes the impression, and you could place a piece of colored cardstock underneath to appear to come out through those die-cut leaves. I like the idea of using this type of die for a stencil when I'm creating a background. And this would be a long, continuous piece of grass or a hilltop that I can do stenciling with and have it perfect for a slimline card. Here's a look at a few projects from our Trinity design team, and you can see that the different elements were used in many different ways. They are perfect for a slimline card, and you can pair them perfectly with any stamp set and turn that stamp set into a slimline dream. I like how they're used in the opposite direction as well. And then here's a standard A2 sized card with those pieces of grass. The Great Outdoors Borders and Builders Slimline die set, as part of the Bright Side release, is available to purchase on July 31st, 2020.